Good morning, class first, and here is our second chapter. Explanation was over, and it's part 2. That means your explanation was over, and what we will do now, we will do its word meanings. And your name of the chapter is Grandfather's Farm. What's the name of your chapter? Grandfather's Farm. So today we will do word meanings. Alright, and then we will do choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay, these two things we will do today. So we will start from the chapter. You can write in your notebook, that means in your copy as it is. You can take the screenshot. If not, then I will dictate it and you can write it. So Grandfather's Farm. Grand, G-R-A-N-D, Grandfather's, F-A-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. What it is? It's apostrophe S. Grandfather's Farm, F-A-R-M. Lesson 2. Alright, so Lesson 2. Grand, G-R-A-N-D, Grandfather's, F-A-T-H-E-R-S apostrophe S, Grandfather's Farm, F-A-R-M. So here I have written word, here it's written meaning. So either you can draw a line, alright, or what you can do, you can fold the page like this. Alright, you can fold it. Okay, so your first word is sheepfold. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheepfold, F-O-L-D, sheepfold. First word, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, fold, F-O-L-D, fold. And its meaning is a home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. One more time we will look in the meaning. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Okay, so your first word, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, fold, F-O-L-D, sheepfold. Alright, what it is? It's sheepfold, sheepfold. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, a home for a sheep. Second word is canal. What it is? Canal. Again, canal. Alright, K-E-N-N-E-L, canal, K-E-N-N-E-L, canal. You can write, if you want, you can write canal, K-E-N-N-E-L, canal. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, a dog, D-O-G, dog. A home for a dog. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, a dog, D-O-G, dog. Canal, K-E-N-N-E-L, canal. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for F-O-R for a dog, D-O-G dog. And one more thing, yesterday I've gave you, or in my previous class I gave you the homework to learn the poem My Family, first para. Have you learned it? If no, then please learn it. Okay, back to our this. What? This, part 2 of chapter 2. Alright? So, kennel, 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 a home for a dog. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R for, a dog, D-O-G, dog. A home for a dog. Okay? Kennel, a home for a dog. Now what we will do? We will repeat these word meanings one more time. So, what will happen? We can learn it also, right? And come on, let's play a game that who can learn the word meanings first, you or I. Okay, let's do it. Sheepfold, a home for a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheepfold, F-O-L-D, sheepfold. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheepfold, a home for a sheep. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R for, a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. A home for a sheep. Sheepfold, the meaning of sheepfold is a home for a sheep. Kennel, second number, kennel, a home for a dog. Kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel, a home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R for, a dog, D-O-G, dog. A home for a dog. A home for a dog. Alright? Kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel, a home for a dog. Okay, tell me one thing. Are you having any pet? If yes, then when our school will reopen, then you can tell me. Okay? Yes. Sheepfold, a home for a sheep. A home for a sheep. Kennel, a home for a dog. A home for a dog. Sheepfold, S-H-E-E-P, sheepfold, F-O-L-D, fold, a home for a sheep. A home for a sheep. Kennel, a home for a dog. A home for a dog. Kennel, a home for a dog. Sheepfold, a home for a sheep. A home for a sheep. Kennel, a home for a dog. A home for a dog. See, I have learned the meanings. Sheepfold means, sheepfold means what? A home for a sheep, and kennel means a home for a dog. And I hope that you have also learned it. If not, then please do. Yes? Yes. And now the next exercise which is here, as you can see. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Choose CHWSE. Choose the the correct 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 words 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 to complete 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 the the sentences SENTENCES sentences. Alright, we will read it again. Choose CHOOSE. Choose the the correct 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 words 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 to complete 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 the the sentences SENTENCES. So choose the correct words to complete the sentences. What it mean? What it mean? It means that we have to choose the correct words to complete these sentences. Can you see it? These sentences are given here, right? These sentences are given here. We have to complete them by selecting the correct option, by choosing the correct one. Alright, so your A number is Anya wants. Anya, ANYA. Anya wants, WANTS. Wants dash. So Anya wants chicks or calf. What did Anya want? Do you remember what she wants? Yes, tell me what she wants. She wants chicks or calf. Think, I am giving you some time. Yes, I am giving you, I think, 20 seconds to think. That is more than enough. So, I have explained you the story. Now tell me what Anya wants. What she wants? Chicks? She wants chicks or calf? Okay. Yes, of course. She asked, Anya asked Mother Henna that she wants to take her chicks. Then Mother Hen said that no, she can't give her chicks. So what will be the answer here? Its answer will be chicks. 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 So this one is correct. Alright. A chick. A chicks. So a cheek. Alright. Okay. So Anya, ANYA. Anya wants, WANTS, wants a chicks. CHICK. Chick. Okay, one more thing. One mistake is in this sentence. What it is? Can anyone tell me? It's okay. This S, it's only chicks. Chick, not chicks. Why? Because A is here, right? So what it will become? Sorry. What it will become? A chick. No S. Alright? Yes. Anya, ANYA. Anya wants, WANTS, wants a chick. 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 Now, second one. The, the, brown, BROWN. Brown. Cow, COW. Cow is dash. The brown cow is dash. The the brown 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 cow 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 is ISS dash. And your option is A number, means your first option is small, SMALL small. Second number is big, BIG big. So what do you think? What was blue cow? That brown cow. It's not blue, it's brown. So the brown cow is it big or is it small or is it big? What was the brown cow? Yes, it was a big cow. So what will come? Big. And we will write here big. Alright. So the brown cow is big. BIG big. Alright. Anya's ANAY apostrophe S. Anya's plays 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 with 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 grand GRAND father FATHER apostrophe S grandfathers. Anya's plays with grandfathers what? So Anya ANYA Anya, it's not Anya's, it's Anya. Alright. In grandfather it's grandfathers. Okay, it was a mistake and I hope you all don't mind. Anya. Anya 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 plays 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 with 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 grandfathers GRANDFATHERS apostrophe S grandfathers. Sheep or dog, means your first option is sheep SHEEP and your second option is dog DOG dog. So Anya she plays with what she plays? Yes, tell me. Okay, I will repeat it for you again. Okay, first of all, this is spelling. It's Anya's ANYA Anya plays 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 with WITH grandfathers GRANDFATHER apostrophe S grandfathers dash. First option sheep SHEEP sheep. Second option dog DOG dog, means the first number in the option is given sheep SHEEP and the second number is given dog DOG. So Anya 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 plays 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 with 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 grand GRAND grandfathers FATHER apostrophe S grandfathers. Then there is a blank. First number is sheep and second number is dog. Okay, so what you think will come in this blank? What do you think? Say, tell me. So when the girl Anya, she went to her grandfather's farm, and after seeing that hen, chicks, then brown cow, and what was the name of the brown cow? Daisy, right? So after, and then she find many sheep in the sheepfold. Then she asked her grandfather that which place is this. Then her grandfather told her that it's the sheepfold, and here the sheep sleep in the night, they stay here, right? Then she asked that where is Blackie. Now tell me, who was Blackie? It was a sheep, not ship. Ship is something different. Sheep or dog. What was it? Yes. Anya plays with grandfather's dog. Alright. So what will come here? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Okay. Now what we will do? We will repeat it again. Okay. So your first one is, what it is? Anya. A-N-Y-A. Okay, before that, the question. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay, what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. We have to choose the words from the given option, and what we have to do? We have to fill that. All right. So your very first one is Anya. A-N-Y-A. Anya wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants dash a chick, a calf. So what she wants? She wants a chick. What will come here? A chick. A chick. C-H-I-C-K. Second number. The brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown cow, C-O-W, cow is dash. Now tell me, what was the brown cow? It was big or it was small? It was small or it was big, or it was big or it was small? Yes, it was a big cow. So what will come here? Big. B-I-G, big. Alright, what will come? Big. Okay. Now next. What is next? Next. Anya, A-N-Y-A. Anya plays, P-L-A-Y-S, plays with, W-I-T-H, with grandfathers, G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R apostrophe S, grandfathers dash. So Anya plays with grandfather's sheep or dog? Yes, she plays with his grandfather's dog, and the name of the dog was Blackie. So what will come here? Dog. D-O-G, dog. Now I think we should repeat it one more time, these all things. Okay, so repeat after me. Sheepfold, a home for a sheep. Kennel, a home for a dog. Now choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Anya wants a chick. B number. The brown cow is big. Anya plays with grandfather's dog. Alright? Yes. You can take the screenshot, and don't forget it's written Anya, A-N-Y-A, Anya. Alright? Yes. And your homework was that you have to learn 4 lines of this, isn't it? I have given you 4 lines, and today I am giving you 4 lines more. Means Guppy, Dicky and I play ball close by the garden wall. Papa does a lot of work at the table in the hall. This is your homework. Okay, this I have given in previous class, this I am giving you today, and I will ask you, okay, when your school will reopen, or either I can ask you, I can call you, or I can ask you. So you have to learn it. Is it clear? And please like the channel, okay, subscribe it and share with your friends. And please take care of yourself. Wash your hands properly in each 30 minutes, means half an hour. After half an hour you have to wash your hands and till for 20 seconds. Alright, take care.